I'm going to show you how to get your credential for X.
To get our X credentials for n8n, first we are going to go to the website developer.x.com, hit on sign in, then sign in or sign up for your X account. Then it will go back to the website, hit on developer portal, and hit on accept. And you have two plans, you have Pro or Basic. For this tutorial we are going with Basic. Hit on sign up. For the describe field, I will fill it with this, and then check all of the under check boxes. Then hit on submit, hit on a project and apps, hit on the second project, scroll down and hit set up. Make it to read and write, and check web app, scroll down, and now we'll fill our redirect URL, copy it from n8n, go back and paste it. For the website URL, just use the same link but remove everything after your n8n URL, and add also another redirect URL, but this one is for auth 1. Just replace the number 2 with 1, hit on save. Then you have your client ID and client secret. We're going to copy the client ID, go back to n8n, paste it in the client ID field, go back, copy the client secret, and then go back to n8n and paste it in the client secret field. Hit on connect my account, sign in with your X account now. In order to use X for posting text and images, we need to make this crucial step. Copy the link from here and open it in a new browser. Just paste it here and add this exactly, plus media.write to give our API all the permissions it needs. Now hit on authorize all. Have our OAuth 2 credentials. Now we're going to get our OAuth 1 credentials. Go back to X developer, hit on overview, hit on the key icon. If you scroll down, you can see our client secret and client ID. And now to get our OAuth 1 credentials, hit on generate access token and secret. I have previously generated them, so I will hit on regenerate. Now here's the access token, copy it, paste it in the consumer key, copy the access token secret, paste it here, hit on connect my account. And here's how to get your OAuth 2 and OAuth 1 credentials for n8n.